Na. See the majestic narwhal swimming up to the surface? What a beautiful creature. 2 strokes. 1, 2. Ni. This is 2 needles laying on their side. Now, don't get confused about how I said that needles are always vertical. That's only with the katakana that have the slope in them. So and tsu. When they're on their own, resting and not being used to sew anything, no thread, they're just 2 needles lying on their side. So I don't know if you noticed, but I emphasized on 2. That's because 2 in Japanese is ni. And the kanji to write that is exactly the same as the katakana, ni. So now you know how to write the katakana ni and also how to say 2 and to write it in kanji. 2 strokes, obviously. 1, 2. Nu. How to remember it? The chopsticks are grabbing some noodles and pulling them out of the bowl. Nu. 2 strokes. 1, 2. Ne. How to remember it? Look, this kind of looks like a horse, neigh, jumping over a hurdle. Never gamble, kids. That was unnecessary. Ne. 4 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have no. It's pretty funny because ne is one of the characters with the most strokes, and then no has just 1. It looks like a really long nose. No. Very easy. Top to bottom. No. Let's practice. So we have naito. Naito. Naito is the knight. I guess it's also the knight with a K, like the soldier, because it's just phonetic. So naito. Nia. Nia is near. Nudo. Nudo is nude. Nexto. Nekusuto. Nexto is next. Then we have no. No is just no in English. In the video with hiragana, we saw that no, no u, which makes a long no, is the brain. Here in katakana, it's just the English no. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments. And don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. それではまた!